We're gonna make some brackets. I needed to bend to a 45-degree angle, so I made my marks at 22.5 degrees, cut them out, bend them up, weld them up. Hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. Going on here is I'm nervous about these walls not having any support going back towards that direction or that direction. I'm putting in these brackets because these are going to have swinging fences on them that will then lock into the center post, and I'm nervous that when the weight of the fence is on it, it's going to want to pull it that way, making it difficult. So I made the brackets. Here we go. brackets in. And she's solid, baby. Good to go. She is all painted up. I still need to find a latch for the door to open and close. I haven't decided which ones I want to do yet. I may actually just custom make them myself, hence the temporary stick. But yeah, very happy with the white and with how the hinges turned out. So hopefully she'll stay up for a while. All right, thanks for watching.